Using this tool, I got my most profitable trades after analyzing my trading journal. This indicator never failed me in 10 years of trading and helped me to find best accurate area for big profit. It is volume profile. But the best one is fixed range volume profile on TradingView. And today I will share with you free tutorial how to set it up and use it in the future. Step number one, of course, you open TradingView and open instruments that you would like to trade. After that you open this menu, it calls projection, and here it would be fixed range volume profile. Highly recommend you to add this star because it would be in your favorite list. As you can see here, at this moment it is my favorite list, and here this fixed range volume profile will appear. If I would take it out, you can see it disappear, and again it appear here. How to start working with this? First you press mouse on this one, it become blue, it means it's active, and at this moment you need to choose area where it start calculating. After that, for example, let's assume we start calculating volume profile here. You choose this candle. After that you move it right, and you decide until which candle you calculated, and here you press, and at this moment it appears as volume profile. You can see my is a blue, dark blue and light blue, but you can do the same or you can choose another one. Let's do settings of this volume profile. Before, I invite you to join my free public Telegram where you will get free signals, education, market update that will help you make money in a trading. Join right now, link is in the description. About settings, open menu, you can press 2 times, and here would be this menu. First, row size. I always set up 1000 because maybe when you start, sometimes you can see like this one, 25, sometimes it could be a different number. I always do 1000 and that's it. Value area, it shows to you where 70% of volume traded. As you can see, dark blue, it is area where 70% of volume traded. Use standard 70, it's a good for you. Extend right, what it is, it's automatically extend while price, while new candle opens, it's automatically. I don't use it, you can test it. Style, what do we have here? First, placement, you can choose left or right. I always do left, you can do right, up for you. Here it is a percent where you can see that volume profile. For example, 10%. Let me show to you how 10% looks like, and 100%. 100%, it's exactly from a moment where you started and finish it. I use 50% because for me it's better because I can see what price is going on, and I see where actually bigger volume traded. For me it's the best. Next one, it is up volume and down volume. We have 2 different sections of a volume. First part, it is for value area. Value area, it is 70% of a volume, and above and below value area, it is the colors. Let me show to you how it calculates. Let's assume here 55%. You can see this color become bigger. I use this color, dark blue, as you can see, and I set up 10%. You can simply copy after me, dark blue, 10%. And value area up, what I did here, 15%, it is this darker blue, and here you can see 15%. In that case, if you would copy, you would have nearly the same as I have. The next one, value area high color. You can see here I added this red one because on my screen it is really good to see, because I don't like when it shows to me too much information. But as you can see, when we zoom in, you can see this red dots. It's exactly shows to me borders of value area. And even here you can see how price bounced from that value area beautifully. For me, it's a clear place where I look for support resistance. Value area high. Next one, it is a POC. POC, at this moment you can see this dark black color, but you can choose any other color. Maybe you would like to use a red one, this one, green one. Maybe better to use a red one because it's exactly, you can see which color. You can use simple line, dotted, like I use dash because for me it's good enough. What about this developing POC? Developing POC, it would move after a price because sometimes where biggest volume traded would change. I honestly don't use it. I use only simple POC and developing value area. You can use this one if you wish because it will show to you how value area change. And histogram box, what about this one? You can see like I added 4%, and it shows to you exactly area where you calculate that volume profile. For example, let's choose 25%, you can see it better. But I don't like when it takes too much attention for me. That's why I use always 4-5%. Here you can save it, you can save, and you can write walk. Why? Because in the future, when you use it, at any moment you can choose this box, and automatically you will have the template. About this one, it coordinates. Honestly, I never change it because I build it manually. And visibility, sometimes, for example, when you build it on a bigger time frames and you don't want to look at on a smaller time frames, you can do like this one. You can take like hours, minutes, and have a look at this moment. We open on a daily time frame, and here you can see this volume profile. As soon as we come to some hours, it disappears. Let's come back. At this moment, let's add 4 hours, 24 hours, and you can see we can come to 4 hours, you can see it, 8 hours, but 2 hours you don't have it. Friends, volume profile is a part of a game. You need to know how to use it, where to use it. That's why here I prepared for you a full video lesson about my strategy, where deeply I explain to you where to take trades at stop losses, take profits. Watch, enjoy, and make money.